Ace fans, Mike G, Charlevoix Ace. My video camera's in the red, so I'm going to introduce you to my friend Peyton.
Howdy.
We're going to show you how to use a new Tadpole tape attachment. So, super cool invention. If you ever used a pair of, or a piece of duct tape or a piece of painter's tape and you just couldn't figure out how to make it work, you fight with the edge, especially you guys out there with no fingernails. You can't get the edge started. You always tear it, falls back down. It's a pain in the butt. Anyway, so we're going to show you this new invention. It's super cheap. Costs like $8 for a 3-pack. It goes for a half-inch, a 1-inch, and a 2-inch roll of tape. It works for all of them. So this is what it is. It's lime green in color. Great advertising. This company has been working great for us. So it's real simple. You take this, you put it on a roll of tape. It's got a bungee cord on it. Stretch it around. Make sure both tabs end up in the place. So you start your tape off. Put your thumb on the back, tear. Grab it again. Tear. Grab it again. Tear. Peyton's not taking these from me like he's supposed to be. Grab, tear. Perfectly straight lines every time. What it does is, when you tear, it sticks the tape right up through here. It's got a couple of ears, so it keeps the tape easy to grab. So you can pull it again, tear. It's, for guys like me, it's perfect. If you're going to paint a whole room, you're taping off a whole building, it is an awesome invention. When you're all done, pull your Tadpole off, finished. Charlevoix Ace Hardware, stay tuned for more videos.